Walmart has been trying to build a gaming laptops and recently introduces its new gaming laptop lineup with EVOO series, which strikes a good balance of performance, portability, and good build quality, and at the same time keeping it budget friendly. So today we are going to review Walmart's new EVOO gaming laptop, which cost only $650 at the time of this review. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the review. First, let's do a quick unboxing. In the box we have EVOO gaming laptop, charging cord, quick start guide, and a warranty information. Now let's look at the specs. Our unit came with Intel Core i7-9750H 6-core processor, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 15-inch Full HD 144Hz display, 256GB SSD, NVIDIA GTX 1650 graphics, 802.11ac dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, built-in 720p webcam and microphone, THX audio, Windows 10 Home, and weighs only 5 pounds. Starting at just 5 pounds, the EVOO laptop is designed towards the portable gaming laptop category. When I opened the box, I was really impressed. The EVOO laptop offers clean, efficient, and modern design. The slightly rubberized deck feels premium for a more luxurious first impression. I wasn't expecting exceptional build quality considering its price point. First impression from a visual standpoint is excellent when compared to any other gaming laptop in this price category. The top outer lid is made of brushed aluminum and feels premium. The overall body has sharp and tapered edges. The bottom rubber feet provide exceptional grip, and there are large intake vents in the bottom along with speaker grills. There is very little flex in the body, and the laptop screen lid can be opened to maximum 140 degrees with one hand. The EVOO gaming laptop features great sets of port options. On the right hand side we have a memory card reader, two USB 3 Type A ports. On the left hand side we have a Kensington lock, 1GB LAN port, USB 2 Type A port, microphone jack, headphone jack, and on the back of the laptop we have two mini display ports, HDMI port, USB 3 Type C port, and a power input. The EVOO gaming laptop comes with 720p resolution web camera with built-in microphone, and the following is a video quality from the webcam. The camera's picture quality is one of the best I have seen in a long time. It surpasses the $3,000 MacBook Pro webcam quality as well. The webcam can also use Windows Hello features to unlock the device using facial recognition. Overall, EVOO gaming laptop has a good design, and clean smooth body hides fingerprints very well. The EVOO gaming laptop display has very thin bezels, and our unit came with 15-inch Full HD IPS display. The best part of the display are the fast 144Hz refresh rate and fast response time. The Full HD resolution was quite nice and lets you view content in vibrant clarity, and LED backlighting provide a thinner, more energy efficient screen. The EVOO laptop has a Tuned by THX TM display, which does look very nice. Tuned by THX devices comes with unique viewing angle mode that mimics display used by Hollywood and TV professionals. Considering the price point, the Full HD panel is phenomenal. Gameplay at high frame rates look beautifully smooth. The panel supports 92% sRGB and 61% Adobe RGB. The display's backlight is bright, averaging 320 nits. This is higher than the average of most mid-tier gaming laptops. The display also had good color reproduction and accurate white balance. 1080p display showed an exceptional amount of detail when I watched different trailers or 4K content. Viewing angles are excellent, which is typical for an IPS display. The matte finish essentially eliminates glare, and the backlight is strong enough to shine through sunlight or other bright lights. The EVOO gaming laptop's visuals are handled by dedicated NVIDIA GTX 1650 graphics. The GTX 1650 is a mid-range GPU, and unlike its better RTX 2000 series GPU, the GTX 1650 lacks ray tracing and tensor cores. The EVOO gaming laptop is capable of on-the-fly, on-demand switching between GTX 1650 and Intel's UHD 630 graphics as well. In 3D Mark, GTX 1650 was able to outperform its previous generation graphics in its category, and overall it produces good results in GPU benchmarks. The EVOO gaming laptop's keyboard is good for longer typing experience. It has a nice feel to it, and it definitely beats competition in this price category. The pressure point is not noticeable, and the feedback of the key is good. The key size and arrangements are good as well, and our unit came with backlight keyboard. The keyboard's backlighting can be customized within the EVOO Control Center software. The default setting sets different colors in each zone, and it looks good, but you can customize it to your liking, and there are a ton of different settings to choose from. The EVOO Control Center also lets you customize power settings, and the laptop is equipped with dedicated button to switch the laptop's performance profile between game mode for more performance and office mode for power saving options. In the Control Center, you can also monitor system temperature, performance, and other information. There's so many settings to choose from, including controlling the CPU fan speed. I think it's a great option for gamers and regular users to adjust accordingly to their requirements, or leave it at default. The touchpad is a regular sized touchpad, and it is a precision touchpad, which means it is fast and precise. The touchpad also features the ability to double tap in the top left corner to turn it off, and even there's a little light that comes on when the touchpad is off. In the performance, our EVOO Gaming Laptop is equipped with Intel Core i7-9750H processor. The processor has 6 cores, with a base clock speed of 2.6 GHz and a maximum clock speed of 4.5 GHz. The processor is rated for 45 watts and based on 14nm technology. This processor is based on Coffee Lake architecture. Its performance is perhaps best option for a gaming laptop and strikes a good balance between price, performance, and thermals. Our unit scored 3,684 points in 3D Mark Time/Spy benchmark, with CPU scoring 6,831 points and GPU scoring 3,400 points. The laptop also scores 2,598 points in Cinebench Multithread CPU Performance benchmark, running at 2.6 GHz, which is about 10% higher from its previous generation Core i7-8750H processor, and it completely destroys AMD Ryzen 7 3750H processor. And in CPU Z benchmark, laptop CPU scores 3,475 points in multi-thread and 503 points in single thread. In the storage, EVOO Gaming Laptop offers good read and write rates, but they are below average in its class. Our unit score 521 megabits per second read and 430 megabits per second write in SSD benchmark, thanks to its M.2 256GB SSD. But you have an option to add second M.2 SSD, and you can also add third SATA 2.5-inch form factor hard drive. We will cover this in the teardown section later in this review. The EVOO Gaming Laptop comes with 802.11ac wireless card, which supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual band. You can always replace or upgrade the Wi-Fi card with new Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax standard if you want. In the audio, the EVOO Gaming Laptop is advertised as having THX audio, but it is disappointing to find out that this feature only works through the headphones. Also, the built-in speakers are good. They get loud enough to fill a medium-sized room, and the THX audio software is helpful to fine-tune the settings to your liking. In the thermals, the EVOO Gaming Laptop stayed exceptionally cool during our testing. The hottest location on the laptop is the underside, reached 80 degrees Fahrenheit, after we conduct a CPU stress test under CPU Z for 15 minutes. That is well below our 95-degree comfort threshold. The touchpad reached only 70 degrees, and the center of the keyboard hit 72 degrees. When it comes to battery life, EVOO Gaming Laptop has 46 Wh battery unit. The 46 Wh battery can provide between 5 to 6 hours of runtime. If you utilize the power saving feature, you can probably get more hours of use, which is good enough for students for on-campus projects or taking notes during classes. When it comes to upgradeability, Walmart's EVOO Gaming Laptop is upgradable, but it comes with the cost of losing warranty, because there's a warranty void sticker covering one of the screws. So if you want to replace any failed hardware without losing warranty, you have to send the laptop back to the manufacturer for repairs. But if you choose otherwise, you can access the laptop motherboard by removing the screws from the back cover. You need to be careful while removing the back cover with proper tool, but the process is very simple. The laptop's motherboard has 2 M.2 SSD slots, and one being used by pre-installed M.2 256GB SSD, but you can add second M.2 SSD as well. There's also a third hard drive option as well. You can add 2.5 form factor SATA hard drive, which is a great option to add bigger capacity hard drive for data storage. You can also upgrade or replace RAMs with available 2 RAM slots, hidden under the cover. As mentioned before, you can replace wireless card as well with the latest Wi-Fi 6 card. Overall, these are great upgradable options. In the CPU cooling department, we have multiple heat pipes with heat sinks and dual fans. You cannot hear the fan noise during general usage, but temperature never crossed 80 degrees during our stress test, which means cooling is sufficient enough to keep the laptop temperature under control during gaming or CPU-intensive workloads. The EVOO Gaming Laptop is a good overall performance machine. I wasn't expecting very much from EVOO Gaming Laptop going into this review, but I'm pleasantly surprised by the performance and build quality of the system. The Intel processor in particular offers excellent CPU performance, and NVIDIA GTX 1650 GPU performance is great as well for gaming. The 144Hz display with fast response time in particular is a star of the show. Considering the price point, the Full HD panel is phenomenal. The EVOO Gaming Laptop is an excellent buy for under $700. I would absolutely recommend it on that basis for anyone looking for a decent looking, decent build, budget-friendly gaming laptop. Let me know what you guys think of EVOO Gaming Laptop in the comments below. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.